The centre has notified 1st February as the date from which additional excise duty on tobacco products and a health and national security cess on pan masala will come into force, replacing the existing GST compensation cess on these products. The move will make cigarettes, cigars, cheroots, hookah, and chewing tobacco more expensive. According to Finance Ministry notifications issued late on 31st December 2025, excise duty and cess will be levied over and above the 40% goods and services tax on tobacco and pan masala products. In the case of BDs, the additional levy will apply on top of the 18% GST. Gutkha will attract an excise duty of 91%, while chewing tobacco and zarda scented tobacco will be taxed at 82% each. Cigarettes will be taxed based on length and filter, with rates ranging from 2,050 rupees to 8,500 rupees per thousand sticks. A new MRP-based valuation system has been introduced for chewing tobacco, filter khani, zarda, scented tobacco, and gutkha. Proceeds from excise duty will be shared with states, with 41% forming part of the divisible pool. Following the notification, shares of tobacco companies fell sharply. ITC Limited declined up to 9.69% to 363.95 rupees, its steepest fall since 2020. While Godfrey Phillips India Limited dropped 17.7% to 2,288 rupees. Analysts at Jefferies noted ITC may need to raise cigarette prices by at least 15%. The compensation cess introduced in 2017 will end after repayment of a 2.69 lakh crore rupees loan by 31st Jan 2026.